In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in Systeme.io in just 2 easy steps. This is a simple and quick process that won't take more than 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up your first sales funnel or just adding a contact form to an existing one, these steps are designed to get you up and running with minimal hassle. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Systeme.io account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard. It's from this central hub that you can access a variety of features and tools within Systeme.io, including your sales funnels. From the dashboard, locate and click on your sales funnel. You might be familiar with this process if you've already been creating funnels, but if this is your first time, don't worry, it's quite intuitive. Now within your sales funnel, you need to look for the option that says Add Step. This is your starting point for adding a new page to your funnel, so go ahead and click on it. It's worth mentioning that this initial action is key to expanding your funnel's functionality by adding various pages like opt-ins, checkouts, or in this case, a contact form. Now, moving on to step 2, you'll need to choose the type of page you want to create. Since we're focused on creating a contact form, select inline form from the options presented to you. This choice specifically allows you to create a form that seamlessly integrates with your sales funnel. It's important to remember that an inline form is designed to capture contact information from your visitors effectively, making it ideal for collecting leads or customer inquiries. Once you've selected the inline form option, you'll be guided to choose a template. Systeme.io offers a variety of templates, each optimized for different purposes and aesthetics. Take a moment to review these options and select a template that best suits your needs. Choosing the right template not only saves time but also enhances the form's appearance and functionality. You might want to pick a template that matches the overall design of your site or brand, ensuring consistency across your online presence. And there you have it. By simply following these 2 steps, you've created a sleek and functional contact form within Systeme.io. Remember, a well-designed contact form is a vital tool for engaging with your audience and can often be a crucial component in converting prospects into loyal customers. Be sure to customize your form with the necessary fields and information you need to gather from your visitors. This personalization not only makes the form more effective, but also aligns it with the specific goals of your business. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and happy funnel building.